Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You stop a Shorts video instantly by pausing and exiting the Shorts player. Press back or swipe down to return to the previous feed. Once done, open the three-dot menu on that clip and mark Not Interested or Don't Recommend Channel to reduce repeats. Make sure you toggle autoplay off while the player is open. That prevents the next short from starting. Do these 3 actions now to interrupt playback and signal YouTube you don't want similar content. You move from quick fixes to structural changes by adjusting history and UI. First, pause watch history and remove recent Shorts entries so recommendations stop reinforcing that content. Next, on desktop, use a reputable extension or custom CSS to hide the Shorts shelf entirely. That removes temptation. Also, systematically mark multiple Shorts as not interested to retrain the algorithm. Different signals compound. Finish by cleaning up the data that creates Shorts suggestions. Clear specific watch entries and search history tied to Shorts, and unsubscribe or mute channels that post them. Once done, check home and subscriptions to confirm fewer Shorts appear. If problems remain, clear the app cache and reinstall, or test YouTube in incognito to see whether it's account-based. A final troubleshooting tip: if Shorts persist after these steps, wait 24 to 72 hours for the algorithm to reevaluate after your feedback and removed history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.